Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about signs you're iron deficient and how to fix it. A study of over 8,000 adults found that 29% of US adults are iron deficient, more than expected. Despite iron supplements being available, most aren't getting treated, with only 22 to 35% of women and 12 to 18% of men using them. Researchers call for more studies on how this deficiency impacts public health and suggest better screening methods. 1. Why iron matters for your health. Iron helps carry oxygen in the blood and produces energy. Low iron can cause anemia, restless legs, poor physical and brain function, heart failure, and higher mortality. 2. Signs and risk factors of iron deficiency. Common symptoms include fatigue, pale skin, shortness of breath, weakness, rapid heartbeat, headaches, sore tongue, and brittle nails. Those at higher risk include people who menstruate, are pregnant or breastfeeding, have had surgery, or have digestive issues like celiac disease. Vegans and vegetarians are also at higher risk. 3. How to boost your iron levels with food. Animal-based heme iron is easier to absorb and found in red meat, poultry, fish, shellfish and eggs. Non-heme iron comes from plant sources like whole grains, dark leafy greens, tofu, nuts and seeds, dried fruits, figs, dates, prunes, tomato paste, artichokes, potatoes, blackstrap molasses, and dark chocolate. Iron-fortified grain products, like cereals, can also help. 4. Other ways to support healthy iron levels. Pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources, citrus, bell peppers, tomatoes, berries, kiwi, to enhance absorption. Cooking in iron pots can also boost iron intake. 5. What to avoid. Coffee, tea, and red wine contain tannins that block iron absorption. Calcium-rich foods like dairy also interfere with iron absorption, so consume them separately. If you suspect iron deficiency, consult your doctor before taking supplements, as too much iron can cause side effects or lead to hemochromatosis. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.